Founded in 1972, JCET Group is the world's leading integrated circuit manufacturing and technology services provider. We have nearly 50 years of semiconductor packaging and test experience and serve customers from all over the world. Our customer-focused mindset has enabled us to become the third largest OSAT in the world. We work tirelessly to return value to our shareholders, customers, employees, and communities. JCET is a global company that serves the world through our rich technology patent portfolio, our 6-site manufacturing powerhouse, and our dedicated teams around the globe. We are able to offer a one-stop experience that includes package design and characterization, wafer probe, wafer bumping, package assembly, final test, and global distribution. Our turnkey one-stop process provides shorter time to market, greater process efficiency, improved product quality, reduced costs, and simplified product management. JCET's advanced technology solutions have been utilized for a wide spectrum of applications in key growth areas of the semiconductor industry. We offer 5G and RF packaging and test solutions for communications applications, including mobile and infrastructure markets. Our high-density technologies enable solutions for high-performance computing, including AI and blockchain. JCET is certified to meet automotive industry requirements for ADAS, infotainment, and electric vehicles. We have years of high-volume storage application experience in areas that include power management, 3D NAND, SSD, and hardware security. JCET has pushed the boundaries of semiconductor packaging solutions by pioneering in a number of enabling integration technologies. Our company is an industry leader in wafer-level packaging solutions with our fan-in wafer-level package offerings and our patented EWLB fan-out wafer-level packaging technology. Our advanced system-in-package solutions meet our customers' needs of increased integration, improved electrical performance, reduced power consumption, and faster speeds. We also offer a broad flip-chip portfolio from large single-die packages with passive components to modules and complex advanced 3D packaging. JCET continues to support wire bond interconnect solutions. We offer a broad portfolio of laminate and lead frame packaging technologies. We are focused on delivering best-in-class quality and services to meet our customers where they are and continue to provide current and future solutions for all their assembly and test needs. The scale and scope of our technical capabilities and global reach enables us to provide our customers with seamless, cost-effective solutions that will optimize their supply chain management. JCET, the world's leading integrated circuit manufacturing and technology services provider.